Hello everyone, this is the demonstration video for thermo-electric cooler. TEC can be used for heating as well as cooling purpose at the same time. Here we are using the TEC for water cooling system, and here is the whole assembly of our TEC module. So let's see what components we are using in this. This is the Peltier module, which can provide a temperature difference across its both sides when a current is applied to it. At its hotter side, we have attached this heatsink along with this DC fan, which will extract the extra heat from the Peltier and dissipate it to the environment. At its collar side, we are using this water cooling block for cooling the water. For a proper contact and pressure between these components, we are using this screw terminals. So at input side, this is a 12 volt constant voltage source supply, and here we are using the TC in open thermal loop configuration. In this configuration, we have no feedback to the TC, and it will automatically settle down at a fixed temperature, but we cannot control the temperature difference at across its both sides. So we can see we have a 12 volt input voltage, and the TC is try to settle down its output current, and when it will settle at a fixed current, then we will measure the temperature difference between these two Peltier sides. We can see it will try to settle down its output current, and corresponding to the output current, we can measure the temperature difference of the Peltier module. Right now the output current is approx 7.7 amps, and I will try to maintain and try to stabilize its output current. So it is almost settled at 7.7 amps, and we have already measured the temperature difference at this output current for the Peltier by using a temperature sensor. So at a output current of 7.7 amps, we will get 10 degrees Celsius difference at its both sides. So that was about the TC module in open loop configuration. To know more about this, please refer our blog. Thank you.